Who can resist those lovely colors and layers of goodness? Sticky rice galore. It's easy to make, just 3 to 4 ingredients: rice flour, sugar, coconut milk, and colors of your choice. Join me and let's have fun as we sapin and sapin. Yes, sapin is a verb. You're watching the Filipino food series. Let's join Romilo at his small kitchen. Warm welcome, your kuya and uncle here, Romilo, from Pangasinan, cooking in Holland. Today we're cooking sapin sapin as part of our Kakanin Christmas season. To our international audience, it just means layered cake. To our watchers in France, it's not sapin sapin, but sapin sapin. Put an E at the end. Let's start. You may think it's complicated because of the name, but no, we need rice flour, the glutinous rice, malagkit, and the ordinary rice flour, sugar, coconut milk, and ubi and food coloring. What's difficult there? The ubi halaya is even an option. The description box will contain the complete ingredients. In no particular order, the glutinous rice flour, the regular rice flour, and the sugar. Then mix. Add the coconut milk or coconut cream and mix. Mix thoroughly and add the coconut milk gradually and mix. Mix thoroughly. I cannot find my whisker. I think it's in the washing machine, or in the dishwasher, I should say. If you have a blender, use it for this purpose. It really needs time to reach that even texture. I'm going to divide this into 3 portions. 3 portions because I'm planning to make 3 layers of 3 different colors. I leave the last white, while this 2 small containers I'll be coloring them with purple and egg yellow. Nice combination, complementary colors. Let's come to the messy part, adding colors. If you're wondering why I'm talking here in harsh voice, it's because my cameraman, the crew, is asleep. It's just the time. I had to finish 3 shoots today, that's why. Labor law. Let's make the blue color. Look. I don't have a purple food color, that's why I'm combining blue and some red. Let's see the result. Gradually. See the effect. We will have to add more red. I learned my lesson here. I shouldn't be using white kitchen towels when working with food colors. It's boring just using food color. Let's add real food flavor. Ube halaya here. May kulay ka na, may flavor ka pa. Now, the other portion will color this with egg yellow. If you want a more concentrated or saturated color, add more, but this is soft yellow. So these are preparations in this order. From the violet, this will go to the middle, and this yellow. Let's prepare our steamer here. Let's turn on the stove. I'll be using this small containers for steaming. I'm gonna apply butter to avoid sticking. Yes, glutinous rice is really sticky, so use generous amount of butter or margarine or even cooking oil. Generous amount, yes, generous amount. That's more than enough butter, I'm sure. Let's transfer our mixture into the molds. That's very slow, Romilo. Very slow. We might as well pour it. Yes, like this. pour it like that. Although it can be messy, but it's quicker. That was not my plan. I was planning yellow so that when I turn it upside down, yellow would be on top. It doesn't matter that much anyway, just use your creativity. Use it all. Use it all. This is a precious and expensive mixture. Now, I'm happy I have this traditional steamer. And the two perfectly fit. There you have it. Onto the boiling water. Some wrap the lid with towel to absorb the steam, but thanks to the material here, it's bamboo, and the holes in between the bamboo strips allow steam to escape. No leaks to the food. Some use roasted, dried or desiccated coconut for the toppings. I don't have it, so I'll be using this frozen coconut, grating it, and then just roast it. Just enough to top my small amount of preparation. Until it turns light brown. Light brown or white, it will still look good on top of our Sapin Sapin. Checking if it's cooked? Yes, it is. And we add the middle layer, the white or the uncolored mixture. And this will take longer time to cook. Maybe 20? Or it's just toothpick to check. And the lid back. Middle layer is now cooked. Let's add the topmost, the yellow. Wait until the middle layer adequately cooks. To be honest with you, it was not yet completely cooked when I added this. And I noticed it still moves. The lid back on. It has been more than 15 minutes since I added the topmost layer. Let's check if our cake is ready. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Let's give it some more minutes. Check again. No, it's not yet cooked. Patience, Romula. And finally, it's here. Look how easy it removes from its container. See? Thanks to the butter. And the second, look, beautiful. Now the problem is it's stuck to the to the platter. I can't move it. It's upside down and it's on the wrong side of the platter. No choice but be contented. Let's apply the toppings. Apply the toppings. It still looks good. Not bad. Although I wanted the yellow to be on top. It was really fun playing with the colors. That's why I'm making another batch. Surprise. And I was excited and I couldn't wait to taste it. Something learned in this procedure is that it's very difficult to slice sapin sapin when it's still hot. You really have to allow it to cool a bit. It's just very sticky. It's very sticky. Allow it to establish a bit. And finally, that's the second batch. It really looks good with all those colors. And here is my Sapin Sapin as I presented at the office. Look how lovely they have become. And they have sufficiently cooled down, of course. Easier to slice. And that's my merienda, along with the Graham cake. By the way, you get to watch the making of the graham cake as well. Our Sapin Sapin from the homeland, along with the other goodies for Christmas. Nothing compares to our chibuk back home. Thank you for joining your kuya today, and if you enjoyed watching and if you love Pinoy cooking as well as international cooking and you love sharing this to the world, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Ibida natin ang ating pagkain Pinoy at asang Pinoy natin sa buong mundo. Until next time, your Kuya and Uncle here, Romilo.